California City? Man, was there really not a project any farther away? This week we headed out to California City for a residential install, and honestly, calling it residential almost felt disrespectful because this thing was big. We were installing 56 solar panels and 2 batteries, so definitely not your average house. The good news? The roof was shingle, my favorite. Way easier for attachments and roof penetrations compared to some of the crazy roofs we've worked on. So we took advantage of that and went full speed ahead because we had one mission: finish this project as fast as possible. And trust me, when you're driving from Los Angeles to California City every day, motivation comes naturally. To make things even more fun, we were working in 100-degree weather. Thankfully, we're not even at peak summer yet because it definitely could have been worse. But that's roofing life: hot roof, long drive, and somehow still finding a way to laugh about it. On the technical side, we installed all roof attachments, mounted the racking system, laid out the array, installed conduits and jumper pipes between sections, ran home runs, and worked with a total of 8 strings feeding the system. We also focused on proper wire management, equipment spacing, and keeping everything clean for final inspection. The crazy part? The heat was basically racing us every day. Every hour felt like the sun was personally challenging us to finish faster. So we kept pushing, setting rails, securing clamps, pulling conductors, building out the strings, and trying to break our own installation record before California City turned into the surface of the sun. Long drive, hot roof, big system. Just another week in solar.